Hi, I'm Fabio from dvlp.energy and I'm going to present you now our database. We access over 1,000 different data layers for you to assess the best sites for battery storage, wind and PV projects. The data is categorized in administrative topics, environmental topics, use-related and infrastructure topics. Let's start with administrations. In administrations, you can, for instance, access the parcels and identify the relevant parcels of a site. You can click on the different features and access all attributes linked to the parcel. We provide information on the community, administrative municipality, district, cadastral office and postal code. Furthermore, you will see data linked to environment. Here, of course, first and foremost, you can access all relevant nature reserves, such as nature protected reserves, nature parks, national parks, biotopes, biosphere reserves, landscape protection, bird protection areas, and so on. With the data, we provide very detailed attributes, for instance, around the protection status of a nature protection site and the type. Then we can access all information linked to water protection and the relevant attributes such as the protection zone. Furthermore, we provide all data linked to the soil, such as soil value, which is relevant for agriculture and certain planning restrictions, disadvantaged areas, and the topography based on counterlines. For the use, we provide data around the general use types. You can see if the data, for instance, is settlement or an industrial area. You can see the exact use type of the site, such as if it's agricultural, arable land, or if it's a greenfield site. Then you can access all different development plans, the state development plan, the regional plan, very important with priority and reserved areas. You can access the land use planning and you can access the construction or development plan of the municipality. Also, we provide the different concepts that municipalities defined to restrict PV projects in their areas. With accessing the PDF document, you can very easily see the exclusion criteria and the potential positive criteria of a certain municipality. Then we come to the last category, which is information around infrastructure. Here, of course, we start to provide you information of existing power production plants, wind parks, solar parks, also storage projects, biogas and other energy production plants. And we provide information together with our partner Enervis around projects that are currently being planned. You see here in red the projects that are planned, and you can access information, for instance, around the responsible project developer and the energy capacity. All right, so now we get to the traffic information. You can very easily identify privileged areas and areas that qualify for feed-in tariffs, and we provide you access around data related to the power grid. First and foremost, you can very quickly identify existing power lines for the high voltage, but also for the medium and low voltage levels. And you can see how the grid is going to evolve over the next decades with a planning horizon of 2028, 2033, and 2045. By clicking on the respective features, you can access information around the grid development measurement. Here it's an increase of 320 MVA, or also the planning and construction start. Furthermore, we can provide you information if a local grid is already overutilized or a connection might still be available based on so-called redispatch measures. By activating the redispatch measure layer, you can click on a substation and you see how much energy was curtailed over the past 12 months. This one here, for instance, seems pretty busy, so I'd rather connect to another one, such as this one here. Lastly, you can access information about the respective network operator. In Germany, there is more than 800 different network operators, and for battery projects, we even provide you the exact investment costs that are required if you want to build a battery in their network area. So that's our database. I hope that will help you for planning the best PV storage and wind sites, and I'm looking forward to get in touch with you.